Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to call someone with a private number. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. To begin, open the phone app on your device. Once you're inside, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings. When the Settings menu opens, scroll down until you find Supplementary Services and tap on it. At the top, you will see Show Your Caller ID. It's usually set to Network Default. All you need to do is tap on it and change it to Never. And that's it. Now you know how to hide your number when making a call.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.